This video will introduce a precise way to weld roller cone bits on cold barrel. Normally, we always face two conditions, condition A or condition B. In this video, we will assume condition A. The cone edge will go outside 40 mm. Let's start. Firstly, please open all the gaps at the same depth. Secondly, please make it up. Thirdly, please confirm the rock-breaking ring vise. In this video, the ring vise will be 150 mm. Assembling angle of different roller cone bits are different. Please check following pictures and drawings. If the horizontal distance between cone edge and bottom is 20 mm, then the angle is correct. For inner roller cone bits, the horizontal distance between cone edge and bottom is also 20 mm. The angle is correct in this position. Because the cone is rotating, the teeth cannot be measured exactly, so we have to measure this edge. We call it cone edge. After assembled, cone edge of all outer roller cone bits A, C, E, G must be the same distance to barrel center. Barrel center is also the same position of caliper axis. At the same time, cone edge of inner roller cone bits B, D, F, H must be the same distance to barrel center. The barrel is always auto shape, so we have to make a tool to make it precisely.